This pizza Stromboli is so much better than takeout. It's so quick and easy and comes together in just 5 minutes and baked until golden and crispy. There's a certain satisfaction when you slice into that herb-crusted loaf to reveal layers of meats and a river of melted cheese. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. You only need a handful of ingredients to create this delicious meal. No one will believe it's homemade. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. I'm so glad you're here. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Preheat your oven to 450. I've got a little bit of red onion here, so I'm going to slice some of that up. Use what you have on hand. That ought to do. I've also got some of these mushrooms on hand. I'm going to use them up. I've got a sheet pan here. Take 2 tubes of some pizza dough here and roll that out on a baking sheet. Work with it until it's how you want it. This stuff is easy to work with. You can roll it out with a rolling pin if it's too thick, but this is good. I've got some sliced mozzarella and some sliced provolone. I'm going to alternate those. The thing about a Stromboli is we'll only be working on this part of the dough. There we go. One more mozzarella. Layer some deli pepperoni on there. You can also use the smaller slices of pepperoni. They work just as well. This is where you can get creative and add any toppings you like in here. And some deli salami here. Ooh, oven is preheated. Next is the mushrooms. Now I didn't add any sauce inside my Stromboli. We just dipped ours in marinara sauce as we were devouring it. And the onions. You don't have to be as neat as this. If any of your ingredients topple over to the right there onto the dough, it won't harm a thing. It'll just roll right up with the dough. But you do want to keep it primarily to this side of the dough. Now begin rolling it up. And don't be afraid of this. It actually goes together quite well. If you have any ingredients that topple over, just poke them back inside. Or throw them over onto the dough that's not rolled yet, just as I'm doing here. Roll it as tight as you can, but no worries if it's not that tight. There we go, one is done. Give it a little tuck on each end. Now I'm going to throw that in the oven for 20 or so minutes. Well, here we go. These look wonderful. And they've got this kitchen smelling amazing, like fresh baked pizza. I've got some melted butter here. Just gonna brush the tops of those with. And how about some grated Parmesan? Sprinkle some Italian seasoning if you like. But only on one. That one the kid don't like Italian seasoning. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, or if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.